Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to our phonics lesson day 5. Today we are learning the H, B, F, L, LL, and SS sound. Alright, let's look at the first sound. We have the letter H. H, H, H. Don't make the mistake. H is not her. This is wrong. H, H. Now, what about B? B, 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 like a balloon bursting next to your ear. And then we have F, F, like flying. F, F, F. And then we have L. L and LL are the same sound. L, L, LL, L, 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 LL, L. You raise up your hand and you go L. What about SS? SS, SS, just the same sound as the S. S, SS. All right, now let's look at the words with the beginning sound. We have a, g, hug, a, g, hug. We also have ham, ham. And we have or, hop, or, hop. What else? We have e, hip, e, hip. This part of the body is the hip. And we have hand, hand. A hen is a female chicken. Only a hen can lay eggs. Next one. Now let's look at the words with the B beginning sound. We have B, D, bed. B, D, bed. We also have B, S, bus. B, S, bus. And we have B, T, bat. B, T, bat. And B, E, G, big. B, E, G, big. Look at this girl. She's holding a very big ball. And lastly, we have B, or, S, boss. B, or, S, boss. I'm sure you will recognize them from the Boss Baby movie. Now, let's look at the words with the F beginning sound. We have N, fan. N, fan. We also have L, fell. L, fell. Fell is the past tense of fall. This boy fell down. And we have fig. 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 A fig is a type of fruit. Next, we have fox. Fox. And fun. Fun. Look at the children. They are having fun. They are enjoying themselves. Now let's look at the words with the L beginning sound. We have L, D, lad. L, D, lad. A lad is a boy or a young man. Next we have L, left. L, left. Next we have L, lick. L, lick. We also have L, or, lost. L, or, lost. This boy is lost. He couldn't find his way out of the jungle. Next one we have L, A, lung. L, A, lung. This is our lung. Now let's look at the words with the L ending sound. We have B, E, L, bell. B, E, L, bell. We also have G, R, E, L, grill. G, R, E, L, grill. This is the grill. Now we also have the or L, doll. The or L, doll. And P, E, L, pill. P, E, L, pill. Now let's look at the words with the S ending sound. We have A, S, fast. A, S, fast. This boy is making a fuss. He is not happy at all. We also have K, E, S, kiss. K, E, S, kiss. Next, we have D, R, E, S, dress. D, R, E, S, dress. We also have P, R, E, S, press. P, R, E, S, press. That's all for our lesson today. I hope you can remember all the 5 sounds we have learned today. I will see you again in our next lesson. Bye-bye.